my dear students. So today we will solve the worksheet question that Karunya, the landlord. Karunya bought 3 fields. As you can see the question on the screen, the 3 fields are shown. And what is the question? Find the area of 3 fields. You have to find the area of these 3 fields. So field A, what is the area of the field A? As you all know, in class 4 you all have done, the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So you can find the area by multiplying length by breadth. So first of all, field A, this is your field A, and the field A length is 28 meter and the breadth is 27 meter. So what would be the area? If you multiply length and breadth, you will get the area 756 square meter. What would be the area? 756 square meter. And the field B, what would be the area of field B? This is your field B, and the length of the field B is 36 meter and the breadth is given 12 meter. So if you multiply length by breadth, means 36 meter into 12 meter, so you will get 432 square meter area of field B. Now the field C. So what is the area of field C? Field C area is 27 into 19, means the length of field C is 27 meter and the breadth is 19 meter. So the area would be length into breadth. So 27 into 19. So your answer will be 513 if you multiply these two. Girls, these answers are written here. Students, you have to show the working. You have to show the process of multiplication as we have done Bela's method, like that. Okay, wonderful. So now it is asking, he bought field A at the rate of rupees 95 for a square meter field and field B at rupees 110 for a square meter and field C at rupees 120 for a square meter. So you see, the area of field A is this 756 square meter and the rate of 1 square meter is rupees 95. So that means you have to find out the rate of 756 square meter. So that means cost of field A will be rupees 756 multiplied by rupees 95, because rupees 95 is the cost of 1 square meter and you have to find out the cost of 756 square meter. So we will do multiplication. So if you multiply, you will get the answer. So this you have to do, you have to show the multiplication and you have to find the answer. I have given you the hint. Now the cost of field B, the same way. The total area of the field B is 432 square meter and the cost or the rate of 1 square meter of field B is rupees 110. So that means you will multiply the total area of field B 432 square meter by 110. So then you will get the answer. So you will multiply this also and you will get the answer. Same, the rate of field C is rupees 120 for a square meter. So the total cost of field C, the total area of field C is 513 square meter. So if you multiply this 513 with 120, so you will get the cost of field C. So this was all about your question which was related to Karunya's. Okay, now the next question. The next question is, Tulasi and her husband work on Karunya's farm. The government has said that farm workers should be paid at least rupees 71 for 1 day's work. But he pays rupees 55 to Tulasi and rupees 58 to her husband. So if Tulasi works for 49 days, Tulasi worked for 49 days, how much money does she get? Simple, you know very well, her 1 day income is rupees 55. So he works for 49 days. So total income, how much she will earn? You multiply 55 by 49, you will get that much rupees she will get. Second, if her husband works for 42 days, She worked for 49 days, but her husband worked for 42 days. So how much money does he get? How much money he will get? What you will do, you will multiply the amount rupees 58, because her husband was getting 58 rupees for one day. So one day amount 58 with the number of days he worked for 42 days. So if you multiply rupees 58 by 42, so you will get the answer. That means the money her husband will get. Now the question is, find the money they earn together. How you can find the money earned together? You have calculated this amount, that means Tulasi has earned, and this amount her husband has earned. Now you add these two amounts. After you will get answer here, you add those amount, so that will give you the money they earned together. Now the next question. Next question is, I saw this in the newspaper. Governments of different states have said that farm workers should not be paid less than this salary for a day's work. For Haryana, salary is given rupees 135, Rajasthan, salary is rupees 73, Madhya Pradesh, salary is rupees 97 for one day, and Odisha, the salary of the workers rupees 75 for one day. Now the table shows the amount fixed by four states. So these four states, the fixed amount is given. That means the salary for the workers for one day. First question. What is the question? First question, A part. For farm work, which state has fixed the highest amount? We can see from the table which state has fixed the highest amount. What? Haryana. That is, highest amount is from Haryana, rupees 135. Which state has fixed the lowest? Lowest is from which state? Rajasthan. So Rajasthan has fixed rupees 73. We can compare these 135, 73, 97, 75. The maximum is 135 and the minimum is 73. So which state has fixed highest amount? Haryana. And which state has fixed the lowest amount? Rajasthan. Now the B part, Bhairo Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. He is Bhairo Singh as shown here. Bhairo Singh is worker in Rajasthan. If he works for 8 weeks, for how many days he is working? 8 weeks on the farm. How much will he earn? So this amount is given for one day. The salary of the worker is given for one day, but Bhairo Singh is working for 8 weeks. So Bhairo Singh's salary for one day is rupees 73, and 1 week 7 days. 8 weeks, 7 multiplied by 8, 7 8 is 56 days. So Bhairo Singh's salary for 8 weeks will be rupees 73 multiplied by 56. So you are good students, you all can multiply and you can find the answer. That means the Bhairo Singh's salary for 56 days, or you can say for 8 weeks. So you will multiply and you will find the answer. Good, very good students. Now next part, C part. Neelam is a worker in Haryana. As we know from the table, the salary for the worker in Haryana for one day is rupees 135. Now Neelam is worker in Haryana. If she works for 2.5 months on the farm, how much will she earn? See, one day salary of Neelam is rupees 135. 1 month 30 days. I know you will say that ma'am, in 1 month there are 30 days also and 31 days also. If it is a leap year, then February it has 29 days, February otherwise a normal year, not a leap year, then 28 days. But we will consider here 30 days month. Okay, so 2 months 60 days and half months 15. So 60 plus 15 you will get 75 days. So how much she will earn? So Neelam will earn, she is working for 2.5 months in Haryana, and Haryana her salary is rupees 135 for one day, and you have to calculate her salary for 75 days. So 135 multiplied by 75, you will get your answer. Multiplication is very easy and you all can do it. I know very well. Well done. I have given you hint. You will multiply and you will get the answer. Now the D part. How much more will a farm worker in Madhya Pradesh get than a worker in Odisha after working for 9 weeks? Now see, Madhya Pradesh salary for the worker one day in Madhya Pradesh is rupees 97, and in Odisha the salary of one day of a worker is rupees 75, and now we have to calculate the salary for 9 weeks. First of all, number of days in 9 weeks will be 9 multiplied by 7, 63 days. So worker will get in Madhya Pradesh 97 multiplied by 63, and worker will get in Odisha 75 multiplied by 63. So you will multiply these students and you will get the answer. To tell that how much more will a farm worker in Madhya Pradesh get than a worker in Odisha? Okay, because Odisha 75 for one day, in Madhya Pradesh 97 for one day, so 63 days. Obviously, it will be more in Madhya Pradesh. So you will just subtract and you will tell how much more. You will subtract after getting these answers. Now the next Satish story. Satish is a 13-year-old boy. His father had taken a loan for farming, but the crops failed. Oh my god, the crops failed. Now Satish's mother has to pay rupees 5,000 every month for the loan. They have taken the loan, so they have to repay rupees 5,000 every month for the loan. Satish started working. He looked after 17 goats of the village, okay, and he earns rupee 1 every day for one goat. How many goats he is looking after? 17 goats. And how much he is getting? 1 rupee for one goat. So in one day he will receive 17 rupees only. In one day he will receive 17 rupees only for 17 goats. How much will he earn in 1 month? As he is 1 month 30 days, so Satish will EARN will be there. Satish will earn in 1 month rupees 17 into 30. So rupees 510. That means he is earning 510 rupees in 1 month. Now the second question is, does he earn enough to help pay the loan every month? The loan amount is 5,000 and he is earning only rupees 510. So you will say no, he does not earn enough money to help to pay the loan every month. Now, next question, how much will he earn in 1 year? See, in 1 year, you can do it by number of days also, or you can do it by number of month also. In 1 month he is earning 510, so you can multiply 510 by 12. You will get how much he will earn in 1 year. Or her one day earning is rupees 17, so if you multiply with 365, so you will get the amount he will earn in 1 year. Very good. Now the practice work was given. Some questions were there. 2819 divided by dash, you will get 1. The same number divided by the same number, you will get 1. 10937, same number divided by the number itself, the division by number itself, you will get 1. And dash divided by 58,064 will be equal to 0. If you divide a 0 by any number, this is a rule, this is a fact. If you divide 0 by any number, always you will get 0. And any number divided by 0, girls, divided by 0 is not defined. We can do its proof also. When you come back to school, then I will show you. Next question, 4,915 screws can be packed in one carton. One carton, 4,915 screws can be packed. How many screws can be packed in 168 cartons? It's very easy. How you can find out? What you will do? In one carton, number of screws packed 4915. So to find number of screws packed in 1628 cartons, you will multiply 1628 by 4915, 4-digit number, multiplication with 4 digits. So you will get this answer. You have to show the working. You have to show the process. Next is divide the greatest number of 7 digits by the greatest number of 3 digits. You know the greatest number of 7 digits, 7 times 9, and the greatest number of 3 digits, 3 times 9. Now you can divide, this will be the dividend and 999 will be the divisor, and you will divide. You will show like this the complete process. You will show the complete process, division process. Outside you will have 999 and inside you have this 7 times 9. You can divide and you can find the answer. Next is, what must be multiplied by 209 to get 88825? What must be multiplied by 209? What must be multiplied? So that means you can find out by dividing 88,825 by 209. See, if you divide, inside you will write 88825 and outside you will write 209 and you will show the division. If you will solve this division, then you can find out a number which will be your quotient, so that when you multiply this quotient by this divisor, you will get 88,825. You will show this division process and you will get the answer. And the last question is 4,08,135 bricks arranged equally. Whenever there is equally, that means equal division means you have to do division together in a kiln. Find the number of bricks. So how you will find the number of bricks? To find the number of bricks, you will divide this by 169, and the same way like this you will show the process. So this all about your worksheet. This is the challenge question of the day. The question is, a basket starfish has more than 80,000 arms. If each arm needed a glove, how many pairs of gloves would you need? So this is your challenge question. You answer this question in the comment box. Let me see who will win. Okay, take care.